The practice of healthcare is evolving. Clinicians need compounded solutions that keep up. At ProRx Pharma, we deliver a broad portfolio of sterile and non-sterile preparations manufactured inside our FDA-registered 503B outsourcing facility. Provider-prescribed, office-administered, built for clinics, telemedicine practices, wellness providers, and med spas nationwide. Every batch is produced under current good manufacturing practice standards within documented systems and disciplined quality controls. From formulation to final release, nothing is improvised. Everything follows a defined regulatory framework. The result? Consistency, traceability, confidence. ProRx Pharma, precision compounding and quality.